How to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn off the features like two-factor authentication on Instagram. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open Instagram app with your logged in account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here, you'll have to tap on three line just at the top right corner. And now from here, and the first, you'll have to tap for account center. Alright, so from the account center, you'll have to scroll down and go the option password and security. Okay, so from the password and security, you'll got options like two-factor authentication. So simply you have to go that option. And now from here, choose your Instagram account. Okay, so from here you can know your authentication process. So to turn off that, you'll have to just tap on that. And now from here, to turn off the two-factor authentication, you'll have to tap on that option. Okay, so from here, to turn off the two-factor authentication, you'll have to just tap on this turn off. Okay, so as you can see, the two-factor authentication has been turned off from my account. So if you are willing to do that, you can simply do that from this process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.